Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inserting the pendrive and confirming your images are accessible. This prevents interrupted transfers. Once the device appears, open Google Photos or Drive in a browser and sign into the Google account you want to host the images on. Select the pictures you want to share and create an album if you plan to share many files. That makes a single link possible. Make sure you choose high-resolution originals only if you have upload bandwidth. Otherwise, use compressed versions to save time. Once you begin uploading, drag the selected images into the Google Photos or Drive upload zone and observe the progress bar so you can tell when everything finished. After upload, move those images into a single album or folder. That simplifies sharing because you'll generate one link instead of many. Make sure thumbnails render correctly and file sizes match what you expect. If something failed, canceled uploads often leave placeholders. Once everything shows as fully uploaded, you're ready to set sharing permissions. You finish by opening the album or folder and choosing the share option. Then enable link sharing and set the permission to viewer unless you want others to edit. Copy the generated URL and paste it into a new browser or an incognito window to test that anyone with the link can view the photos. This verifies permission settings. If the link doesn't work, recheck that upload's completed without errors and that the album's visibility is set correctly. Re-upload any corrupted files and regenerate the link if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.